Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Hello, Blox Fruits adventurers. In this video, I will explain how to get Christmas gifts in Blox Fruits. To begin your festive hunt, you'll first need to find the special North Pole event islands. These unique locations appear in all three seas during the holiday season. For example, in the first sea, you can find it near Snow Island, and in the second sea, it's often located by the graveyard. These islands are beautifully decorated, setting the perfect mood for gift hunting. Once you're on a festive event island, keep an eye out for gifts. Presents spawn every 60 minutes, so timing is key. To claim your reward, simply stand within the glowing circle that appears. Each gift offers a mix of random rewards, including powerful fruits, useful materials, and unique accessories. For a smoother experience and fewer interruptions from other players, many find it helpful to collect gifts on a private server. Beyond the hourly gifts, you can also earn event-exclusive candies, which are a special currency. To get these, you'll need to defeat non-player characters, or NPC, that have an elf tag in their name. These festive foes can appear anywhere in the game world, so stay vigilant. If you manage to take down a boss elf, you'll typically receive a more generous amount of candies, helping you stock up faster for the holiday shop. With your pockets full of candies, it's time to visit the holiday shop. Several special non-player characters are ready to trade. The greedy elf, for instance, will exchange your candies for valuable fragments. If you need a boost, the magic elf offers double experience boosts or even stat refunds. And don't forget Santa Claus, who sells unique accessories like the festive elf hat, a stylish Santa hat, or even a cool sleigh for 1,000 candies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.